Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude water repellency blade on an I&L type arm. First, pry off the adapter cover by inserting your thumb under the edge, lift slightly, and remove the cover with your opposite hand. Next, rotate the adapter up. Pinch together the tabs at the back while using your opposite hand to push down and remove the blue spacer. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Insert the curved tab of the wiper arm under the Rain-X logo. Slide the blade down the arm through the adapter channel until it clicks. When the blade is engaged, the rear adapter tabs will lock into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean and dry. Turn on the wiper blades and run the wipers dry at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then spray your washer fluid and watch for water beading to indicate the technology has been activated. It's that simple. You're done.